Okay guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how you can use your phone as a monitor for your Sony ZV-1. So you would want to get the app Imaging Edge. You can either get it on the Sony site or the App Store. So that's what we're going to need in order to connect to our camera. So we will click on this to open it up. Okay, now what we will need to do on the camera side of things, let me just push this to the back. Okay, so on your Sony ZV-1, you obviously want to put it on. You're going to go to menu, and on the third tab on the top here, where you see the globe, we would go down to Control with Smartphone, and we're going to click that, and then we're going to go to Connection. Now you see where it says Control with Smartphone, I have that on, so you will have to select that. So let me click on this. So you see it says on or off. Obviously you're going to put it to on, and then now I'm going to go to Connection, and I'm going to click Connection. Now when I click Connection, this is going to come up, and what I'm going to do now on the phone is click the word Start. Then I'm going to say Join. Okay, let's try that again. Going to click Start, Join. Okay, just gonna click OK. All right, so now your Sony camera is mirrored onto your phone. So let me just rest this down here. Maybe I can just put this in front of it so you can see. And let me turn this way. All right, so you can see there's a little bit of a delay. But the point is, if you are filming by yourself, and let's say for example you're filming by yourself, and you know, you don't want to have to be running behind the camera to put the record button on and stop it. You could connect the Sony to your phone, use the phone as a monitor, and from the phone you could like for example, if I want to take a picture, I can just click here, because I think it's set on for picture, not video. So I can just do this from the phone, and there you go. Did you hear that? It took the picture. That's the picture there. You know, you're filming your videos, and you want to be able to either see yourself, because sometimes, yes, I know this does have a screen that you can turn to you, but sometimes if you, according to what shots you're doing, like if you're filming at sort of like at an angle where you sort of like you have the camera looking down, and when you turn the screen and you face it to you, sometimes it will flip the image. So if you don't want that to happen, you don't want where your image is being flipped. Now what I usually do to prevent my image from flipping, so let me just show you. Let's move this out of the way here. So sometimes what happens is that when you turn it like this, and let's say you had the camera facing down and you turn this here, it can flip the image like that, and you don't want that to happen. So you can just twist it slightly to get it to work, but again, sometimes according to the angle that you're working with, it's kind of hard to do that. So that's why this method is nice, because now this is obviously, you can see everything. You can use your phone as your monitor. You can see everything clearly, and you can start and stop filming or taking a shot from your phone. So for example, let me change this mode here. I'm going to click the thing. All right, so let's say you wanna do film filming. So you can click on this, for example. Okay, so I have just clicked on to do a video. Okay, and now again from my phone, let me just push this back so you can see it a little better. From my phone, I can start the recording. And you can see that it is recording on the Sony because look, the word record is there. So you can start recording or you can stop recording. So guys, what I also wanted to show you is that when you use your phone as the monitor for your Sony camera, you can zoom in and out using your phone. So you see where it has a T and W. You can use that for zooming in and out. So you don't have to physically go to your camera. You can use your phone in order to operate the zoom in and out. And of course, to take the pictures I showed you before, like I just took that shot. Now, the other advantage of using your phone as a monitor is that the images are already transferred onto your phone. So let me show you how these things are already on my phone already in the Photos app. All right, so here I am in my Photo app, and as you can see, the picture is already there in the Photo app. So when you do this method, you won't have to worry about the transferring of images. So guys, I just wanted you to know that only if you take still photos using your phone as a monitor will the photos go directly to your phone. If you do a video, it will not go directly to the phone. So if you wanted to get that video onto your phone, you would have to transfer the image onto the phone. So for example, I think I took a short video on the phone there. So if I want to transfer that image to my phone, the film that I did on the camera, if I want to transfer it now, what I would have to do is, okay, let's push this to the back. On the camera, I would have to go to menu. So you see under that, the network, where they see a globe, you choose that tab, then on the first menu page, you see the top says send to smartphone. Send, select this image. Okay, so when it does that now, I have to click start here on the app. Remember the same image and app, you click start, you click join. We have to try that again. Okay, so now it's copying over. It's copying that clip, that video clip. It's copying it over now to the phone. Of course, I would not recommend that you use this method in order to transfer any video. It will take too long. But I'm just showing you that you can do it. The better thing to do is take out the SD card from your camera. And either if you want it on the phone, if you want the footage on the phone, then you can use this here, and your SD card will go into there, and this goes into your phone. Or you simply transfer directly onto your computer by taking out the SD card and putting it into your computer directly. But transferring video onto your phone when using this method will take way too long. It will be fast if you had still images, you know, if you wanted to perhaps use an app on your phone to edit a still image and you want to transfer it, you can do still images, but not film. Okay, so the video finally finished copying over to the phone. So now I can show you it here. Now this is the video here. So like I said, doing it this way is going to take too long. I would not recommend you use this way, but I'm just showing you that it can be done. All right, well, that's it for now. So I hope you found this video informative. Thanks for watching. Feel free to share with family and friends. Bye for now.